Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you where to go to change your email address on your Steam account. So this is very easy. So I'm just on my Windows 11 laptop right now. I'm going to go up to the upper right side of the screen, go to my account, and then go to account details. Then under here, let's scroll on down under account details. And we can see my email address right here. And we can also add a phone number. So it says manage email preferences or change my email address. So let's go to this, select it. Now we have two different ways that we can change this. So we can get an email to our email to change it. Otherwise we can go to, I no longer have access to this email address. And we can provide a new email address, and then we have to tell you what the first email you used is, and tell them what number you have on your account, and then anything else down here, and send it over. And it looks like you can also attach a file. So you're just trying to prove that you are the owner of this account, and maybe that will help with the decision making there. But if you have your email address, you can just press this, and then you have to type the code in here, and you should be able to change it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.